Okay, everyone, take a look at this map. Here are the locations in Metropolis where the Joker and Luthor are likely to attack. Metropolis City Hall. He's talking about capturing Superman. Good luck, Joker. Better meet you.
Yes, it's true. While I prefer to...
Well, you know better than to trust that guy. And the Joker is obviously off his rocker. But Luthor's incredible intellect makes him just as dangerous. So, are you ready to get out there and represent the Justice League? It won't be easy, but we've got to save Metropolis before it's too late. Let me tell you about the Reserve Team Vehicles, or RTVs as I like to call them. They're high-tech military vehicles that were developed by the government's anti-supervillain task force, Argus. The RTVs are self-guided hovercrafts, so you can focus on blasting the bad guys without worrying about where you're going.
Following me! Hold still! It's a gas!
Hey guys, good to see you're all in one piece. Watch my back while I try to break into the security panel. We need to get into Metropolis to free the team. Whoa! Blast those black spots, reserve team!
Good work! Those things were trying to take control of the Batmobile. Let's get moving. I'm sure they already know we're here. I warned you about joining forces with the Justice League. This is your last chance to surrender or face the full force of my life-spotted army.